Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 4 hours, we have seen a little bit of a downturn and Doge is leading the chart again. We have fallen below the support of 20 cents, but if we do talk about the trading volume, that's where the new magic is happening. It has fallen below the $2 billion mark, but there are some big whales which are transferring huge amounts of Doge, and you can see that there are some also other whales which are actually piling up on this dip, and Dogecoin is going to overtake Pinterest, DraftKings, and a lot of other market caps. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Dogecoin. The social engagement goes up, more whales decide to buy into Dogecoin, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Now I just want to mention something important. If you just look at the overall trend of the market, it's very simple to see that even Bitcoin has gotten closer to 70k compared to 72 where we were yesterday. Now this is a big deal. Why? Because you need to pay attention to the trading volume of Dogecoin. It is down about 30% today. It is the 10th most traded crypto in the world right now. Why is this a big deal? Because you guys need to understand the trading volume is going a little bit lower, but at the same time mysterious 250 million Dogecoin is being transferred to Robinhood. So do you see how there is just so much volatility in the market, and there are so many whales which are not able to make the decision in terms of if they want to buy, if they're going to sell, or are they going to be holding. So this is going to be a crucial time where you need to have a little bit of patience. $50 million worth of Dogecoin was actually sent to Robinhood, and if we talk about the largest holder of Dogecoin, you guys can see that this wallet actually just purchased about 4 days ago about $200 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 18 cents after selling such a huge chunk around the 22 cents. So what does that mean? Well, in overall terms, you just need to pay attention that there are so many whales which are actually buying into Dogecoin right now. Overall, you need to also pay very close attention to how big numbers Dogecoin is hitting. Dogecoin overtakes Pinterest, DraftKings in market cap. What other companies is Dogecoin going for? I mean, you can see with all of this in mind, Doge has seen a market cap high as 32 billion in 2024, and here are some companies Doge is larger than. I mean, HP, big company, eBay, Roblox, Pinterest. You can see these big companies actually don't even have a market cap such high, but Dogecoin is able to do something. So there is a lot of big whales that have their eyes, stuck to the Dogecoin market. Now at this point, if you guys remember last time when I made the video, I said you need to be very close-eyed when it comes to Dogecoin, because right now we do not want to fall below the 20-cent mark. If we do decide to fall below, well, there is going to be a little bit of a free fall unless Bitcoin is able to recover. If this free fall happens, what is going to happen is we're going to drop all the way down to 18 cents. If we do drop back to 18 cents, that would be a very crucial time, or very good time to actually buy back. And if you guys want to DCA into more Dogecoin, that would be a perfect time to do so, because April is going to be a big month. I mean, less than 10 days away, Bitcoin halving event is happening. It's most likely going to cause the whole market to be very shaky. And what's the craziest part is the Bitcoin halving event is most likely going to be on the 20th of April, and it is also going to be 420, which is considered Doge Day. So you guys can realize that 20th of April is going to hold a lot of significance to the whole crypto market. On the other end, if we do see a little bit of a downtrend as there is some more news coming out relating to the US, I mean some very important ones such as the inflation and also what's going to be the interest rate that will be coming in later. Now if that happens, well, you guys know that's going to also have a positive impact if it just goes in the favor of crypto over the dollar. I mean, the rate at which we're moving right now, crypto has so much potential to go forward, and I personally do feel like that Doge will be leading the chart. And if you pay attention to the precious metals, gold and silver are setting some really new highs. I mean, silver is at $28. Now, if we talk about the open interest, it is down 7% today, which is just a little down. I would not say it's super significant, but if we talk about the long to the short ratio, well, let's just say it's sticking to the same idea. But if you go to the hour, and let's just say long trades are starting to trigger more compared to the short trades. Now, this is another whale which has not stopped buying ever since. I mean, every single day they're purchasing close to $2 million worth of Dogecoin, and they must have some price set in mind that they want to sell all of this Dogecoin. I mean, right now their total balance is sitting close to $500 million in USD. And if we talk about Dogecoin, they have 2.5 billion Dogecoin. Now, I know you hold Doge for dear life, but what coin token are you trading? You know, those that you buy low and sell high, or vice versa. I mean, at the moment, I just want to show you guys this because it's really interesting how people are trying to do different things, but at the end of the day, one thing still sticks, which is holding on to Dogecoin for the long term. X payments is expected to launch by June. We are almost halfway through April, then we only have May. In that time, there must be an announcement of some kind, and if that is, then Dogecoin will be having a rally because Dogecoin will have some sort of announcement in that as well. On the other end, looking strong, if we break above the key area, which is going to be close to 21 cents, well, let's just say Doge is not going to be slowing down for any other thing. Dogecoin dev stops a lot of speculation. I mean, I talked about this yesterday, but it's really interesting. Owns 30%, right? Then what are we talking about? Yeah, that is correct. I think Robinhood's role in Dogecoin popularity during the past bull market cannot be underestimated. But to their credit, also Binance helped Doge with their launch earlier listing. And just keep in mind the big numbers. If you see that there is a big wallet that is just holding on to Dogecoin, it's usually being held by an exchange. And that exchange is holding on to everyone's money. They don't have full control of the total population or just the total amount that they are holding on to. Now, Dogecoin metrics see a bullish reversal as Doge sets a sight on 30 cents. Now, just as I mentioned, the price is showing a really positive trend, but seeing a little bit of a pullback. Now, I mentioned that we might fall back to 18 cents if Bitcoin keeps dropping, but if Bitcoin is able to make a recovery from here, well, Doge will be making it back to 22 cents. Why? Because if you look from here, we're still in an uptrend. We just need to make sure that Doge is able to keep climbing rather than slowing down. On the other end, also something interesting is Dogecoin price. Can Doge beat XRP? I mean, at the rate we're going, most likely Doge will be beating XRP in the coming future because 27 billion, 34, not a huge difference. 25% gain from Doge in a single day, and XRP will be left in dust. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe. Also, if you guys have any specific token that you would want me to make videos about, like small meme tokens, let me know down in the comment section. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.